I'm sure you've seen plastered all over social media these days, people claiming to make a ton of money working as a trader from home. Is it possible to do that? It is possible to make a full-time living working from home, even if you've never traded before. As you can see behind me, here's some trades that I've been doing myself. And if you want to know how to do this stuff and you want to get returns just like I am, I've got a video course and an ebook for you that you can do in the comfort of your own home to learn trading. And you can actually do this without spending any money. You can set up a demo account on the trading platform that I use, and we'll take you step by step on how to become a successful trader and be trading like a pro. So if you're interested in getting access to our video training course and our ebook, then below this video you're going to find a link. Click that link. It's going to take you over to a page where you need to pop in your name and your email address, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you full details of the training course into your inbox. You have an amazing day. Happy trading, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.